Truthfully, thank God I'm making this video because I just realized that I have 6 weeks until the race and I thought that I only had 4. So I can kind of like feel a little bit better about some of my training to date and know that I have 6 more weeks, which means like 4 weeks until I taper. So that's still a lot of time. I have been using the Mountain Project 50K training plan because they have a training plan that is specific to the race that I'm doing. The Mountain Project is a gym and training center located in Bozeman, Montana, and the gym owner is the one who actually started the Ultramarathon, the rut that I'm running. So it's kind of the perfect training plan. What I really love about this plan is that it focuses not on mileage, but on time on feet. So a lot of it is time-based. It'll say like 60 minutes, zone 2. So it's time-based and heart rate-based. So exertion, effort level, and understanding aerobic base training versus aerobic capacity training, which has been really great because it's allowed me to not feel like I'm overtraining and not put a ton of extra stress on my body while training for a super high volume race. All right, so I like to train like a quote unquote hybrid athlete. Thank you, Nick Bear, for giving us that awesome term to work with. I know you didn't create it, but whatever. So that means that I still attempt to fit in 3 strength training days every single week. Going to the gym, I'm still using the Body and Bell kettlebell programming. So I will typically do 1 leg day, 1 upper body day, and then 1 mixed day. Just depends on what's programmed within that app, but I don't do any of the conditioning days. I just focus on the strength. I will sometimes add in the sprints, just depends on the load for the week. So join me this week as I work through this amazing training plan on my journey to my 50K. Holy crap-a-moly. All right, Monday, we have a gym training day. 100% planned to go to the gym this morning, but my body needed sleep. So I kept sleeping and now it's 8 p.m. and I'm headed to the gym. We had a full day of work. It was crazy catching up on some client work and we have some new products we're working on and just a lot going on. So headed to the gym, we're making it happen. We are going even if it's 8 o'clock. This is the amazing part of going to the gym late at night. She's all ours. Tuesday, 60 minutes, zone 2. Just a little spin, spin, spin. Get out here. 30 minutes in. Turn around soon. 5 miles, hour 6. Not very good splits because I forgot I had a call in the middle and had to walk for 20 minutes, so that was fun. You have fun? Whoops, Wednesday. No, took a rest day yesterday. That is called listening to your body. after doubling up last weekend, I actually just got really sucked into work yesterday, for being honest. And then I had dinner with a friend, so I didn't make time. It is Thursday. We're creeping in on like 6 p.m. and I got like a 90-minute that I gotta go on. So I've been so hungry lately, so hungry. All right, let's get ready. Let's go running. Lox, you wanna go running? Do you wanna go running?
I think she wants to go running. Do you want to go running? Do you want to go running? You want to go for a run? Okay.
All right, here we have the fit. Shorts are from TJ Maxx from literally high school. Do we love them? Shirt is, I have no idea. I probably got this for free and it's like not cute. But we're going. Hair is tangled and tattered. I'm procrastinating.
Help, help, help.
All right, ready? I have no idea if y'all can see me because you're propped up on my door. Okay, today we have 20-minute warm-up and then 5 intervals that are 8 minutes, zone 4, 4 minutes recovery. So let's do it.
I've eaten that last scoop of peanut butter.
Warm up complete. Taking it into zone 4 mode for 8 minutes. 8 minutes is a lot. First interval down. Now we walk for 4 minutes. 8 minutes is a long time. Like, my heart hurts. Last freaking one, guys. We got 8 more minutes. And then we're done with today's workout. Finito! We did it! Saturday, we're going for a like 90-minute zone 2. Technically today should be a long run day, but had some scheduling conflicts. So we're gonna do 90-minute zone 2 today and a long run tomorrow. We started a 20-mile run in the Tetons at like 4 p.m. Snacks at the top. Ow! Bear, bear, bear. Bear, bear. Okay. Yesterday's long run, I got awful sleep Saturday night. So I had my alarm set for like 6. I got up to go and I was like, no chance right now because I'd slept so bad. So I put it off till the afternoon and was like, great, I'll go this afternoon. And a friend ended up texting me and she was like, I can go, I'll go with you. That sounds really fun. Let's go at like 2, which always turns into like 4. So we didn't end up getting to the trailhead until like 3, and then parking was a shit show. So we started a 20-mile run in the Tetons at like 4 p.m. and it was so fun. So fun. After this week's training, I'm feeling questionable about having to run 30 miles and 10,000 vertical feet. Yesterday was 20 miles and like 4,000 vertical feet. And I feel pretty hammered today. Like I'm tired. My legs, my ankles. So we've got 5 more weeks. We'll see how this goes. But I hope you enjoyed this week of training. It was a lot of fun. I am glad it is Monday and it is a freaking rest day. If you want to see more of my journey to my 50K, subscribe, follow along, and we'll see you next time.